Welcome, here I've got DuoDuoGo J6 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to activate voice control in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the center to the menu. Now let's pick the camera app to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner at the bottom to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on this settings bar. We are from the left in general settings. Let's pick the center one, the photo settings, and here at the third place we have voice capture option. So by using this button from the right we can turn it on and turn it off as we need, and when we have this turned on we can take a picture without touching the screen by saying some keywords like capture or cheese. So let's go back to the camera and now let me try to say, for example, capture to take a picture, and as you can see we have to be pretty loud that device can hear us. So let me try once again. Capture, capture, maybe cheese, cheese, and as you can see the second word works, so I have to say cheese to take a picture pretty loud. And this is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.